Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to recover disabled Facebook account. So just please follow my steps until the end because this tutorial is very simple and easy and very quick as well. So for some reason if you have your Facebook account disabled, the first thing you need to do, you need to go and open the browser. In that case I'm going to choose Google Chrome because it's my favorite one. And then from here I'm going to search for disabled Facebook account recovery. And now go here to open this website, which is Disable Accounts Facebook Help Center. Click on it. And now scroll down a little bit until you can see all these options and then head to the Get Started and click on it. And now once again, just scroll down a little bit. Now we can have this conversation with an AI, so we can choose any of these and then just go back and click Start again and choose the first one and click No, I cannot log in. And also that could be for the assistance, but all the links must be identified. So the most important thing you need to do is you need to identify your identity so that your account could be recovered. And this is one of the best methods that I can do to recover your Facebook account, which is identify your identity. At the end, that was on today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video is helpful. And thanks for watching.